Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be kicking off 2020's 12 Days of Christmas nail art with these Sponged Flakie Stripes. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco Gift Receipt. I'll be adding a quick dry top coat for that to dry completely and then add nail vinyls. Then I'll be sponging with the purple flaky holo and the blue flaky holo taco. Once the base is completely dry, I'm going to be adding nail vinyls. I've taken these chevrons and cut them in half, and I'm going to be using 3 vinyls per nail. Once I finish that, I'll move on to the sponging. Once the vinyls are applied, you can make sure that they're all evenly placed and well pressed down, and then I'm going to move on to the sponging. I'm just going to be using the very thin end of the sponge, and I'm going to be going in with the blue first, alternating the stripes. You can do a little bit of cleanup with an orange stick as you go along, and then once you've removed the vinyls, you can finish cleanup around the edges with a brush dipped in acetone. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I'm always happy when an idea in my head translates onto my nails, and this is pretty much exactly as I imagined. The theme for this year's series is day and night, so I'll be taking an inspiration and doing a day interpretation on my left hand, and then the following day I'll be doing a night interpretation on my right hand. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for days 1 and 2, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you're all excited for this year's series, and I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.